Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to look at cryptocurrency news. Bitcoin has solidified its position as digital gold. Oh, a bold statement. Cryptocurrency investing ideas to help you take profits and avoid losses. That's what our channel is all about. Let's get into it. Can we get 99 likes on this video? Smash the like button. It really helps us out. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. So, Bitcoin has solidified its role as investors' digital gold, according to Grayscale. So, Grayscale is a fund that you can actually purchase on the stock market. If you have an account with, say, TD Ameritrade or E-Trade or Charles Schwab or one of the others, then you can buy the GBTC fund right through your stock brokerage account. It runs about $12, $15 a share. The price changes according to the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has solidified its role in the world economy as both a store of value and digital gold, the head of the world's largest Bitcoin fund has said. In complete contrast to even 2 years ago in 2020, institutional investors consider it necessary to have the cryptocurrency in their portfolio. Bitcoin itself has solidified its role as a store of value as a digital gold, he said. So I talked to institutions. They now look at Bitcoin as part of the same flight to safety as they might look at bonds or gold or other things that have served in that capacity for them. And that wasn't a widely held narrative probably until about the last 12 to 18 months. The company's Bitcoin assets under management currently involve around 1.5% of all Bitcoin in existence, or $3 billion. There is ever-growing evidence that this asset class is not going away. Investors want access to it, and if the legacy institutions want to remain competitive, they're going to have to open the door to this asset class for their clients. Now, typically with institutions, since they're invested in lots of different stuff, they're looking to invest somewhere around 1 or 2% of their portfolio. But when you're talking about having $1 billion or $1 trillion under management by, say, a hedge fund or a family office or some other entity like Northern Trust has over $10 trillion under management, and they manage institutional funds. Well, those companies will look at putting somewhere around 1%, maybe less, into something like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because it helps balance out the portfolio, especially in times of economic crisis. But let me show you a few other areas that help to solidify this man's statement as far as Bitcoin becoming digital gold. One of those is what's going on with Coinbase. Now, Coinbase has a custody service, and Coinbase's custody service has been gathering about $2 billion a month in cryptocurrency assets for institutions. In other words, I should have said this a little bit more simply. Institutions are coming to Coinbase, buying about $2 billion worth of cryptocurrency and letting Coinbase custody that for them. Because most institutions have to have a third party owning and possessing whatever assets they're investing in. Another example of that is Bakkt, B-A-K-K-T. This is a cryptocurrency exchange that was built by a joint venture of the New York Stock Exchange, Microsoft, and Starbucks. The three companies invested almost $500 million into building this exchange over a 4-year period, and it just went live September 24th. Now, the Bakkt exchange is another example of institutional size businesses and entities that are so convinced that cryptocurrency is not only here to stay, but presents a great business opportunity, that the Bakkt exchange invested $500 million in about 4 years into building this exchange. Another area that just shows large corporations getting involved in cryptocurrency, which is part of what's giving institutions the warm fuzzy so that they can feel good about investing in cryptocurrency, is the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. Now, the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance is a consortium of businesses that are building things on the Ethereum blockchain. The Ethereum blockchain has what's called a smart contract, and a smart contract is just another way of saying that they're writing computer code on top of the Ethereum blockchain to make new applications available. And so some of the companies that are building those kinds of applications on the Ethereum blockchain are companies like Accenture, the Bank of New Mellon, Cognizant Solutions, Citibank, Dell Boomi, which is a Dell business, Ernst & Young, First Bank of Omaha, FedEx, Intel, John Hancock Life Insurance, JP Morgan Chase, Microsoft, Pacific Gas and Electric Company. So I thought that was interesting that Pacific Gas and Electric, that's PG&E, the electric company for the state of California, or a good part of it, and Wipro. And so as you can see, there's a variety of businesses, from technology businesses to financial and banking businesses, even to accounting firms are building things on blockchain, which is an indication that they have confidence that it's here to stay. That Ethereum in particular, but also cryptocurrency as an industry, is going to be around here for the long term. So anyway, that's our video for today. How can I be of service to you? Do you have any questions that I can answer for you? Please leave comments below. Do you disagree with anything I said? I'd love to hear your polite disagreements. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. I hope you have a fantastic day.